Hello everyone, welcome back to the Terrarium theme blog. In this video, I will show you how to download and install the JDK. So as we know that JDK is nothing but a Java development kit. Yes, so after the installations, let's check whether the JDK is working or not working. First, open the command prompt, search java version. Yes, so if Java is installed successfully, you will see the installed versions displayed on the screen. Thank you for watching. Please like, comment and share, subscribe for more Java related videos. Thank you.